This is our drawing. It made in steel carbon, okay, carbon steel. So what we're gonna do is to duplicate it. We're gonna go there, menu, we go metric, standards, millimeters, because the drawing is in millimeter. So once we here, we're gonna go and sketch there. All right, I'm gonna start with a rectangle. Okay, so I'm gonna choose my drawing plane, YZ. Then from here to there, that's my first rectangle. Okay, and then I'm gonna come here with my second rectangle. Okay, there we go. After that, I'm gonna give dimensions. So I want this one here from there to there to be 12 millimeters. So that needs to be 12 millimeters. Okay, and then I want this one here to be 140. Okay, 140 millimeters. Then this one to be 50 millimeters. So 50. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna go for is that circle thing. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here, then I'm gonna choose my circle. So there's a circle, so this will start there, then it goes like that. Okay, there we go. Then the second one, there's the second one. So I want from there to here to be 30 millimeters. So 30 millimeters. Okay, great. Then I want this one here to be 60. That's 60. And then this needs to be 25 millimeters. So 25 millimeters. Okay, the next thing that I'm gonna go for is this shape that you're seeing here, this one here. So I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna draw another rectangle. There is my rectangle. Okay, so this one here need to be 95 millimeters. So 95 millimeters. Okay, so you're making this drawing as simple as that. And then I'm gonna go for this part that you're seeing there. Okay, that part that you're seeing there. Right, I'm gonna come back and draw it there. There you go. All right, so this needs to be 10 millimeters. So that needs to be 10 millimeters. 10, and from here to there, that needs to be 20 millimeters. Great. So once we have that in place, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go on 3D model. So we come on 3D model there, and then we click on extrude. So I'm gonna first extrude this part here. Okay, I'm gonna extrude this part by 15 millimeters. So 15 millimeters. Okay, both side of my drawing plane. So I'm gonna say both sides, then I say okay. After that, I'm gonna come here on my drawing and right click on my mouse, then I click on visibility on. So I click on visibility, then I can see my drawing again. You can see. Then I'll come here again, extrude 3D model. I'm gonna extrude this part. Okay, this whole part as well by 15 millimeters. And then I need this part here. So this and that to be extruded by 40 millimeters. So I'm gonna choose the 40. Again, both sides of my drawing plane. So once this one is there, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna come for the top part. You see this top part here, this part, this shape. So I'm gonna come for this shape. I'm gonna click on it. So that and that. So those two need to be extruded by 90 millimeters, both sides of my drawing plane, as you can see. And then I say okay. Now I'm gonna come for a part that is hidden inside this part here. Then I'll come here, I click on extrude again. Then I click that one and that one. That need to be extruded by 30. 30. Okay. Then I say okay. Now as you can see, we have the shape of our drawing. So to ease up the confusion, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide my drawing visibility of the lines and all those things. Then I'm gonna come here, you see the rounds there inside there. I'm gonna come here and then click there. Click there, come on, click there, then I choose that. Okay, I turn it over, but I choose that, I turn it over. Now we come here, I choose that, turn it again, right? I come and choose this. So the radius there need to be 5 millimeters, so that need to be 5 millimeters. There you go. Okay, and then I say alright. Okay, so that is my shape. Okay, the next thing that I want to do now is to create the chamfer from the corner. So I have one, so that's one, okay, plus this one, turn it over, come here, plus that's one, right, and now this one. So that chamfer need to be 10 millimeters, so 10 millimeters. Then I say okay. Okay, so here is your full drawing, as you can see. So the next thing that you want to do now is to choose the material. Okay, so up to you. I can go with gold. Where's gold? There's gold. This is how your drawing looks like, right? It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. So take care. Bye.